Welcome to Tech Talk. My name is Diamond, and I'm here with Robert, one of our technicians. He's going to answer some of your questions, so let's get started. What is InduSoft SCADA software used for?
InduSoft is a full SCADA and HMI package that is used for many types of applications, including factory and building automation. Here are some industry examples that can be used for InduSoft. The most popular ones are machine automation and solar and wind monitoring for us. These are just part of the demo program, so you can create your own applications, of course, and create your own objects or use the InduSoft library of images to create your own screens. InduSoft has these features for animation, which can be incorporated in your project to make it more appealing and more realistic to describe your application. It's very simple to use these objects as well in your project. If you see one you like here, you can simply use this demo to copy the object or find out its properties by double-clicking on them. InduSoft can create reports with the data brought in from the sensors, and it uses most of the most common drivers, including Modbus, Modbus TCP, Modbus RTU, Modbus ASCII, Ethernet IP, CANopen, and many others. There's over 1,000 drivers for InduSoft, and you can use trend curves to visually show the application data as it's happening in real time. InduSoft can trigger alarms based on statuses of the I/O, and you can also use the mobile thin clients to view data from other PCs within the network. Let me show you an example of that. Okay, so note that you can actually view it through a web browser and just see what's happening remotely from another computer. This is an example of it through a web browser. So by incorporating the thin client, you can view data from any computer within the... Okay, this shows a web thin client. The web thin client allows you to view data on any computer within the network. You can also use mobile thin clients to view on tablets and mobile devices whatever screens you design and whatever data you want to show. Let's see, the software is scalable and sold based on tag counts, and the number of I/O points can be anywhere from 300 or less to up to 10 million tags, and it's great for factory and building automation application no matter what.
If you would like your questions answered in our next Tech Talk, send them to our tech team at tech@icp-usa.com. And if you want to learn more about the products in this video, visit our website at www.icp-usa.com.